Enabling Face ID on Microsoft Loop is a straightforward process that enhances your security and convenience. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Microsoft Loop. Launch the Microsoft Loop application on your device. Ensure you are logged in with your Microsoft account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Security Options. In the Settings menu, find and select the Security or Privacy options. This section contains various security features, including biometric authentication. Step 4. Enable Face ID. Locate the option for Face ID or facial recognition. Toggle the switch to enable it. You may need to follow on-screen prompts to confirm your identity. Step 5. Test Face ID functionality. After enabling Face ID, close the app and reopen it. You should be prompted to use Face ID for authentication. Test it to ensure it works correctly. Once you have completed these steps, Face ID will be enabled on Microsoft Loop, providing you with a secure and convenient way to access your account.